Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is BeesBeauty. Look at me, I'm a little bit of a mess, but I'm going to get my hair done and I will show you. I'm gonna get my extension style and cut, and I'm also getting my color done. So come with me, I'll take you right now. Hey guys, so I wanted to update you a little bit. I am going to get my hair done, as I did say before, but I wanted to explain a little what I'm gonna do, because I am taking my Foxy locks and they're 20 inches long, okay guys? So usually when I put them on, you can totally tell like my length of hair, which I really don't like that. I like it to be natural, as I've mentioned in other videos. But what I'm gonna do is basically I'm getting my roots done because I had done last time like a balayage or however you say it, and it wasn't, wait, here, no one's here. Anyway, and so yeah, I don't really like that look so much. I don't like how it looks in my hair. So I'm definitely getting my roots retouched, and that probably takes like about an hour to 2 hours, just that. I'm gonna get my extensions trimmed and styled, and then I'm gonna get obviously some curls, you know, big curls and waves, because I really like that look, and I'm so excited to see this. I've had my extensions, guys, for like a whole month, and I haven't been able to wear them. Just once for the video. I tried wearing them out once more, and it just wasn't working out, guys. So I'm so excited this day has come. I'm going to my favorite girl, you know, the one you saw in the last video. Actually, I'm gonna do another video in there. And yeah, we're gonna see what this transformation looks like. Oh, and by the way, this is my outfit of the day. I'm gonna post it in the next clip, but so you can get a look. We have the boots, knee-high boots. As I said, I love the dress with the belt, and a white and black coat with some jewelry, my ring, a few pieces that I have. This from Pandora. I love it so much. It was a gift from my mom, and yeah, just a few little things that can add to the look, honey. But let's just wait until you see me with those extensions, boo, or at least until I see me with those extensions. I'm gonna be feeling myself, honey. I mean, you pay a lot of money to look like that. Come on. let's enjoy it, you know. Anyway guys, I love you so much, and I'll see you in the next clip. Hey guys, we're ready to go and roll. I'm here having my little coffee. We have my extensions here, and we're gonna start. Look at my outfit, boom diggity. Anyway guys, we're gonna start with the hair, and it's gonna be a long process, but we're gonna get it the right color. Oh my god, thank you so much to my friend. You have to come to this hairdressers. I love it so much. She did so good. Thank you, my love. Mwah. Hey guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you like this video. Look at my hair. It looks so bomb. My friend did such a great job with the color. She literally matched it so good. As you can tell, you can even see where my natural hair, which is right here, you know. And then she cut it. She basically styled it. She straightened it. And she got my color to the same color as the extensions. Normally you can order those extensions for your color hair, but I was I had no patience basically when I opened my Foxy locks, and I matched it and I thought it matched perfectly and it didn't. So I'm really happy my friend was able to actually get them in the right color. So they're 20 inches long. As you can see, they're very long, but I did get them trimmed just a little so I can get a little bit of movement in my hair. So I wanted to thank all of you for sticking by, seeing this transformation. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe down below. Don't forget to give a big thumbs up, and I love you guys so much. I'll see you in the next one.